Bobbi Boss understood the assignment with this one. Like, girl, this color, the fact that it is glueless, truly glueless, Bobbi Boss. My favorite part, honestly, about this unit, y'all, the dark at the bottom, the black tips, honey. Y'all are coming for it.
Cut it, cut it, hey, cut it, cut it, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, been taking that easy like poco a poco.
Hey, ready or not, I keep them coming, I'm high. Pop out the Benz and we rock, making the milli we drop. I came to open up shop and we running and going nowhere when you stop. I keep them coming, I'm high. Pop out the Benz and we rock, making the milli we drop. I came to open up shop and we running and going nowhere when you stop. Please get the fuck out my face, ayy. Y'all keep running in place. I have been stopping you, none of you problems, I promise you motherfuckers ain't. Why do you wonder when me to defeat? There's no reason to get in my lane. I have been saying for years that I'm proud of me. Honestly, y'all have been fucking my day. Look at me, motherfucking Millie Rock. Dropping a milli, no really not. My flow is so hot and you really not. Crossing the finish line with a bop. Moving the music to you and I'm using it. I will influence in you and I'm about to do it. It's beautiful music, you moving to it. Watching me win and I'll always do it. I keep them coming, I'm high. Pop out the Benz and we rock, making the milli we drop. I came to open up shop and we running and going nowhere when you stop. I keep them coming, I'm high. Pop out the Benz and we rock, making the milli we drop. I came to open up shop and we running and going nowhere when you stop.
Dickory, dickory, pop on your block. You're getting jittery, calling the cops. She can get slippery, dripping the knot. Sick with deliveries, you must forgot. Is you kidding or not? Bitch, I've been hiding and whipping the rocks in the pot. Call me director, I'm calling the shots. Sit your ass down like you fixing the squad. Fuck is a middleman. I'm the supplier, fire is kibble fam. Smug, I could give a damn. I've been the plug, you're a scrub with a simple plan. Hey, they all know my shit cause my boppin' it. I knew I was it, they forget that I'm sick. I'm a prick and the shit is a compliment.
Hey, ready or not, I keep them coming, I'm high. Pop out the Benz and we rock, making the milli we drop. I came to open up shop and we running and going nowhere when you stop. I keep them coming, I'm high. Pop out the Benz and we rock, making the milli we drop. I came to open up shop and we running and going nowhere when you stop.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a new Bobbi Boss unit, honey. So I guess they got this new collection that's called the Glueless Grip Series, honey, and I am absolutely here for it. So I decided to pick this unit up in two different colors. So this color that I'm wearing right now is TF1B Silver Gray, and then the other color that I tried out was the TF4 Blonde, and honey, Bobbi Boss came through with these colors. So let me just pop into the specs of this unit for you. So you do get your two combs in the front, your one comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. They did add a silicone grip, so it does come right around the crown, and it's also in the back, honey. It goes all the way around, and I am absolutely here for it. It's definitely giving that additional security that I feel like we need, especially since a lot of us do not use those front combs. This grip is doing exactly what it's supposed to do, you guys, and I am absolutely living for it. So with these units, you do also get a 5.5 center part lace that goes right down the middle, honey. It does come pre-plucked and it does come with baby hair. So let me just come in and show you guys what this hairline is looking like. So I feel like the hairline honestly is pretty good. I'm not really mad at it. You can go in and pluck it out some more if you want to. I kind of don't really feel like it needs it in my opinion. Now, as far as we know with Bobbi Boss, honey, these baby hairs did come long. They were definitely looking like some adults. So I did have to go in and cut the baby hairs down. They were also a little bit thick. Now you can get rid of that by just plucking them out some, but I tend to just hide them in the hairline. The thicker the baby hairs, the more that you're gonna have to pluck out, because you can only hide so much in the hairline before it starts making the hairline look dense, honey. As y'all can see, this lace is doing what it's supposed to be doing, honey, and I had no glue, no nothing whatsoever. Only thing I did was add my Eben Bold Hold spray to my baby hairs to get them to lay down the way that I wanted it to. But other than that, y'all, none whatsoever. I did not go around my crown like I usually do and adhere it down, honey. This thing is just sitting pretty. I am absolutely here for this silicone grip base they got going on, honey. They are doing it. So I just want to show you you guys this color because I feel like the execution of this color is beautiful, y'all. Like, it is a silver gray tone, but if you can see, it kind of got these random little strands of this dark blonde sort of color going on, which I really, really love. I love the dark root and then just the transition into the silver gray color. My favorite part, honestly, about this unit, y'all, the dark at the bottom, the black tips, honey. Y'all are coming for it. So I just want to show you guys also. So it is shorter in the back, and then in the front you do get that length. So the density on this unit is definitely more on the natural side. It's about 130%. Definitely not crazy amount of hair. Definitely not too thin though. Also, I'm not feeling any tracks in the hair, so that's perfect. The texture on this unit, I really do like it. It's coming off like a yaki, honey. The quality of the hair is really, really nice. I did get a couple of strands of hair, but I think that's honestly because I did cut super close to the lace. I did not get any tangling whatsoever. So the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. I think if you have a larger size head, this is one you possibly could get away with wearing because there is some stretch to the cap, but definitely know it may be a little bit of a struggle for you. But for me, in my opinion, this fitted my head wonderfully, y'all. I only, as always, use that back comb, but it's feeling like super secure on my head, honey. I'm telling y'all, this silicone grip band, whatever they got going on in here, this is the way to go. This is how to make it glueless. Like, this is how to save your hairlines, honey. So let me just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only con, honestly, I have to say about this unit, which is not a super big con, honestly, is the fact that I was getting some hump action. I did go in and add heat to it at about 380 degrees to kind of just get it to lay down the way that I wanted to. I am still noticing a little bit of humpage, but like I said, you can get rid of that by adding heat. And then another con I have with this unit is probably just the density and length of the baby hairs, but I feel like that's not really a super big con because that's definitely something that's super easy to manage, super easy to get rid of. So let's just jump into the pros of this unit. The pros, honey, are the color, of course, the cut, the texture, the density, the quality of the hair, the style itself, the 5.5 lace part that you get, and I feel like they did a pretty good job with the part, y'all. The hairline is good. Like I said, you can make it work for you. You can go in and do more work to it, but in my opinion, this is definitely beginner friendly because this is going to be one you can throw on and go, style it to your liking, and you're good to go, honey. This was definitely a super quick one, and honestly, y'all, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit, girl. If you get this, I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. It's a look. It's an easy, quick look. Bobbi Boss, thank you for stepping your game up and coming back with a comeback because I am living for this unit. So that's pretty much all I have to say, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.